up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my Vlogmas day 15. And that means we have 10 more days to Christmas. How are you guys preparing for Christmas? I hope you guys have all shopped, and I hope you guys are not going to do last minute shopping. Guys, I know ladies, we like to shop. I've been shopping as well, and I was so surprised this morning to find out that I still need a few more things. Like, we never finish buying everything, but that's by the way. Guys, I'm so thankful. I got a mail from YouTube, and the mail says congratulations for hitting your 500 subscribers. Guys, thank you so much. This is you guys. Thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you for doing this for me. Thank you guys. Thank you for always sharing my videos. Thank you for always supporting me, commenting, and always coming back to watch my video. And if today is the first time of joining me, you're very much welcome. My name is Temidayo Ojieyan, and this channel is all about faith, food, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you want to see all these things, please kindly subscribe to my channel, click the like button as well as the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop new videos. I want to say thank you once more because this really means a lot to me. Thank you guys. Thank you for your support. So guys, today is going to be about chit chat. I'm just going to be chatting. I'm just going to be talking, and my main talk today is to talk about positive confession in our lives. But then while I was making up, so many things came up. I felt okay, I'm going to share it with you guys before I say what I want to say today. So I went shopping and I got a few new makeup. I got some from Sephora yesterday and also from MAC, but because I'm used to MAC products, I didn't try any of those. I just tried my new lipstick and new pencil. And guys, I got a gift. I got a birthday gift from Sephora. So this month is my birthday month, and yesterday when I went to the store to shop, I got my gift. So you have option to pick what you want. I think body cream or something, but I just chose this. I chose the lipstick and the mascara, and I already bought a mascara from the store already, and I love the mascara. Guys, can you see the effect? I'm not wearing lashes. I love it. And guys, a secret to getting a if you want volume and you want it thick and very glaring and long, you have to apply your mascara like 3 times. So when you apply the first time, you allow it dry, then go back to apply, allow it dry, then go back to and to apply again. At least like 3 times, you're gonna get a very good effect from it, and I really love it. I love it, guys. So I tried my new pencil from Sephora. I can't find the pencil here. So it's just a lip liner. I'm trying to look for the pencil, guys. Just give me a moment, please. Okay, it's right here. So it says lip contour. All right, so I got this Huda Beauty lip contour yesterday, and I tried it on. I like it, but I think I don't really like the combination with the lipstick. I love the lipstick as well, but I think those two colors are close to each other. Like, they're very close. I always like my lip liner being different from my lipstick on, but probably because this is my first time of using it, so it looks weird, but I don't have any choice. I have it on already. And also I also tried using my MAC concealer to highlight my face. So usually I just use the MAC concealer to highlight my brows, but today I felt, oh, let me just try something new, and I tried it. It's nice, but I think it's too thick for my liking, because I usually like my makeup soft. So I think it's thick. So by the time I added the highlighter powder, I feel it's a bit caked. So I had to do so many videos, like testing my lighting, because it was just so bright and it was looking caked. So I hope it's fine now. So lesson learned. I feel life is all about try and error. So I tried this and I've seen the results. So it's now left for me to make my choice. And for me, I don't think I'm ever going to try using this as my highlighter again. So normally I use Mary Kay foundation, and I love using the lighter shade of the Mary Kay foundation as my highlighter. Don't tell anybody, that's what I do. I also use my Pro Concealer, but since I started using the Mary Kay foundation, the lighter part, the lighter color as my highlighter, guys, I am so much in love with it. And this has just been lying down. I even shopped, I got some new ones and I've not used it. I've been using this darker shade. And what I do to contour, I hardly use any contour cream. Most of the time I use a darker shade of my MAC powder to contour. So I just like my makeup soft and most time neutral, though I like red lips. Okay guys, so that's that about the new things I tried out. So I'm not sure if I really love this color. Maybe when I go outside the house and check, I'll know if I really love what my lips looks like. And guys, you can please comment if you think the lips is nice. Please let me know. You can leave it in the comment section. And that's that. And guys, most of the stores and the makeup stores are on sales. If you want to buy new products, you can check Sephora, you can check MAC. Those are the two stores I went shopping recently. So, and that's that. So guys, today I just want to talk about positive thinking and confession. Positive confession. For those of you that don't know me much, while I was in Nigeria, I used to attend Pastor Poju Oyemade's church. That's Covenant Christian Center and now Covenant Christian Nation. And if anybody knows Pastor Poju with anything, you know him as a great teacher and as a man of confession. I actually learned more about confession from him and I've been practicalizing it. And I just thought I should share it because most of the time I tend to say things and I see it happening, and I studied what happened around that. Apart from the book, I know Pastor Poja has a confession book. Apart from what I've learned from the book, I studied what happened within that period, and I noticed that I'm always acting just like what happened earlier when I said life is all about try and error. It doesn't matter if you fail, if you try doing something. Those that know me, oh my god, you guys, I think maybe I'll have to do a question and answer Q&A session. I take risks, like I'm a risk taker. People that are close to me call me Gogolowo. Like, it's not because let me not go too deep into that. And sorry guys, for those that doesn't understand Yoruba, Gogolowo means someone that does so many things. Okay guys, so let me go right into the story. Into my points. So I noticed that I usually practicalize, I usually act, and those are just the tips I felt okay, let me share with people, because I noticed that most times people want miracle. When they confess, they sit down and not do anything about it and expect miracle. And because we serve a miracle living God, fine, we serve a miracle living God, but you have to do your part. My own key point to confession and it coming to reality is faith and action. Faith and action helps your confession come to reality, guys, I don't know. So faith and action helps. So when you confess, you have to have faith. You confessing and saying, yes, I am this, yes, I'm going to be this, yes, my child is going to be this. You're showing an attribute of, okay, you have faith, that's what you're saying, it that it's going to come to pass. Then the next thing is your prayer also is part of the faith. When you pray, of course, when we speak to God, that's prayer. and with faith we'll work, waiting patiently for that thing to happen. Then the next thing you need to do is on your own part, which is your actions. The first miracle God did in the Bible, turning water into wine. He did something. When he got to the wedding ceremony, and there was no wine, his mother approached him, blah blah blah, he showed up. He said, he told people that are there, because I think there are some water pots there, and they were empty, and God told them to fill it with water. And Jesus told them to fill it with water, and told them to start fetching from it, and it was turned to wine. He did something. There was an action in that. There was an action for that thing to happen. So you can't just sit down and say you're confessing, and you're not taking actions. Sometimes your action might cost you money. You might be into business and you need to advertise your business. If you don't advertisement is the soul of business. If you do not advertise, how do you expect people to know you? And you're going to sit down there and be like, oh, my business is not moving forward, I'm not making money. My dear, you're not doing what you're supposed to do. Sometimes your action could be that you need to do because I'm into business. Sorry guys, I'm using more example, more business example. Sometimes it could be matter of words. You need to talk to people. Sometimes it could be you. It could be sleepless nights, working late nights, doing so many things yourself, strategizing, putting out points. Sometimes it could take you might sleep late after doing so many other things. You need to prepare for the next morning, and sometimes it could take that you need to step back from some things that you are doing and go get knowledge, guys. So you need to act, you need to do something. And when you keep confessing, you have to be mentally at alert, because sometimes some things could just come as a flash. Some things could just come probably when you're just scrolling to your page on Instagram and you see something, and because you're confessing and you're mentally at alert, and that thing relates to what you're actually looking for, my dear, you're going to just tap into it, and you just have to scroll back like, oh, I saw something now. It looks like what I'm looking for. It looks like what I'm planning to do. When it could be a video, it could be a write-up. After going through it, then you get your own knowledge, or you get your own inspiration, and you begin to build up your own idea from what you get. So when you're waiting for something, when you're confessing and expecting something to happen, you have to be mentally at alert, because anything in your environment could come as a message for you guys. I'm telling you, it could be from movie. You could be watching movie and somebody says something there, or you see an action there, and from there you grab into it and key into it and start building your own ideas on what you saw while you're relaxing or watching TV. Or you could be children around you might say something. You could be an adult. You could be in a bus and say something. You get? And you just have to be mentally at alert, and you have to act. Guys, I'm going to share my own testimony. There's actually a reason for me to think of discussing this, and when it's all done, I'm definitely going to share it to you guys. So guys, you have to act. Don't just sit down and I act like crazy. Like, guys, you guys need to know me. I don't care. I don't care if I fail. Like, if I do not fail, how am I going to learn? And we've learned from so many big people. They've tried so many businesses. They've tried so many times. They've tried from some inventors. They've tried to invent things and they make mistakes. If you don't make mistakes, how are you going to learn? So most times, why people don't get quick answer, or don't get to the destination or wherever they're going quickly, is because they don't act. They are always afraid to fail. Guys, I don't want this to be too long. I'm just going to stop it right here. So my advice for you guys is just go for whatever you want to go for and act on it. Continue to confess. As a Christian, we need to confess, because what you say is who you are, and you have to pray, you have to have faith, and you have to act. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlogmas. If you do, please kindly let me know. If you want more of stuff like this, let me know guys, and I'm definitely going to give it to you guys. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do. Also, please kindly share my video with family and friends, and I really want to appreciate you guys again. Please guys, let's do it. Let's hit our first 1,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate you guys. Like, I'm saying this and I really mean it, guys. Time is going. So guys, thank you so much, and do enjoy your day. If you have any question about makeup, if you want to if you want to buy any makeup and you think you just have some question, you're not sure, just leave it in the comment section. I'll definitely respond to you. Until tomorrow when I drop another nice and exciting video. Bye, stay blessed.